Greetings and happy Thursday from beautiful San Clemente, California. This is kind of a follow-up on one of these jobs that we did last year, and this house was literally cracked in half right here. So I don't know if Justin could splice in some of that old video. There's some of the graffiti that was there, and if you'll remember, graffiti was everywhere around here. This house had settled, cracked in half and was settled 16 inches. We did a lot of helical piers. We came back and did some other helical piers on the interior where they put these big posts. And then you could see the progress that they're making here. So they kind of got this house at the bottom of the market, but they're going to be able to sell it at top value once they're all done. So I'm here today to take a look. We're going to do a deck off the back side over here. You can see that's part of the golf course in San Clemente, and they redid some of the this whole fairway, I believe, in the last 2 years. But back here, we're gonna do some new construction helical piers, and then they're gonna have a big deck to extend their yard to have this beautiful view. So I will check back in here in a few months and we'll see where they're at. But happy Thursday and adios from beautiful San Clemente, California.